Hello my lovely friends, how are ya? Welcome back to My Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 5 super easy hairstyles that anyone can recreate it and look just awesome. These are perfect hairstyles for thin, long hair, but if you have thicker hair, you can do them as well. But today's video is a collab with CeleStella. CeleStella is New York-based Demi-Fine jewelry company. Their latest on-trend Demi-Fine jewelry starts from 29 USD. Also, I have a discount for you, AH15. I'll leave all the information also in the info bar as well, so you can use it and save 15% of your purchase. Also, they have an humongous collection of 3,000 styles plus even more now. Also, all the pieces are made from gold and 925 sterling silver. So my pieces that I'm wearing right now at the moment, these are gold plated silver. All of the pieces has their proven stamp of the silver, so I'll show you what's up so you can see how every single piece came. Also, in my opinion, this is an amazing present, especially for Women's Day. Why not for a friend, for a member of a family, or somebody you just love, so you can give such an amazing present that will last. Also, CeleStella are committed to creating beautiful jewelry pieces without compromising environmental damage caused by unethical mining. I want to tell you that these pieces came in such beautiful packaging. I didn't see anything like that. So if you want to see how it came and all of these, I have an unboxing on my new channel, so make sure to check it out. I'll leave the link in the info bar as well and here. But now let's start our hairstyles.
As you can see, my hair is not that thick. Thanks to blowout, my hair looks thicker, but actually is not that thick. So we'll select our top section like I'm showing, making a diagonal kind of parting from the sides and making sure everything is nice and smooth. And we want to make a high ponytail. Then you want to loosen a little bit your top section and leave some hair out if you like this look like I do. Now you want to divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections and tie them like I'm showing, using again a clear elastic for each section. Then you want to make an opening and bring through the opening each section like I'm showing and pull it, of course, to make it full and beautiful looking. Now you want to grab these 2 sections and bring them up like I'm showing and tie another elastic to secure this created bun like I'm showing. Then you want to divide the remaining ends into 2 equal sections and you want to wrap them around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath the ends to secure it. You can leave it as it is because it's already beautiful, but I decided to pin it in place from the sides using some bobby pins. And yes, you're done! For the next one, we want to make a parting that we like, and then we want to select from one side a section of hair like I'm showing, a small one, and we want to tie it, creating a very tiny small ponytail. Make an opening through it and bring the hair through the opening like I'm showing. Pull it just a little bit to create some texture and repeat these steps on other side as well. So you make an opening and pull it a little bit. Now you want to bring this topsy tail together and tuck it into each other from one of the elastic like I'm showing. So we are not using too many elastics to tie them again, like that. And then we want to select again 2 sections from the sides and tie them both together. Make a topsy tail again and pull it a bit. And your texturized half updo is ready. For the second one, if you want to create a ponytail, we'll use the same base from our second hairstyle and we'll select from underneath two sections like I'm showing and bring them up. We want to tie it using an elastic. Now you want to twist it and then bring the remaining hair through this opening like I'm showing, tighten it a bit, and your ponytail is ready. For the next elegant updo, we want to select two sections from the sides of our parting, if you have a parting, and then we want to tie them both together. You want to twist it and pull just a little bit. Now you want to repeat this step, just grab a little bit bigger sections. And again you want to tie a ponytail and flip it and of course tighten to secure it. Now all remaining hair we want to divide into 3 equal sections and begin a super simple 3-strand braid. I'm sure every one of you can make it. And we want to tie the ends with a clear elastic to secure it. You want to loosen, of course, your braid to create a voluminous effect. And I like to pull through once more the ends so there are no ends sticking out like I'm showing, and bring your braid through your second ponytail like that. You want to roll it if your hair is longer than mine. And you want to fix it from the sides with 2 bobby pins. Now again, if your hair is loose and if you want more elegant effect to make it, you want to pin it from the sides of the braid. And yes, you're done. For the next super easy and fun hairstyle, we want to divide our hair into 2 equal sections and tie one of them, like creating a low ponytail. And on last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through like I'm showing. And then you want to wrap around the elastic the ends and tuck it into the elastic underneath the ends. If your hair is longer, make sure to wrap it just several times around the elastic. And you want to repeat the steps with your second section. So you tie it, pull it halfway through, wrap the hair around it, twisting it, pull it a bit, and then tuck it into the elastic underneath. You want to loosen, of course, your top. I don't like this parting showing, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm loosening it even more. And if you need, you can use some bobby pins to fix your buns in place.
I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please don't forget about like. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. And you'll have beautiful hair every day because it's so easy, right? Love you guys. See you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!